In today's video, I'm going to show you how to flip video in DaVinci Resolve. So open DaVinci Resolve and import footage you want to flip. Drag imported footage onto timeline to start working it. Click on the Video tab, located in the upper right corner. Within the Video tab, locate and click on the Transform option to access Transform video. In the Transform window, you will find options to flip video vertically and horizontally. Click on the respective icon to apply desired flip. Click on the icon that represents flipping video vertically. Then you can click on icon that represents flipping video horizontally. Playback video to preview flip effect. If needed, you can make further adjustment until you are satisfied with results. Once you are happy with flip video, you can continue editing.